found Learning to Surf, where I analyze my surfing to help you with yours. I'm Nathaniel Fife, and today I'm going to be working on being further up on the front of the board. I'd like to give a shout out to UDig and Hayden Payne. Thank them for their comments. I definitely want to thank everybody for all their support. I just love doing this, love making these videos. I hope that it's helping somebody, so please subscribe and like. I got a new video coming out every week. See you on the beach. Yoo! So I'm at the library once again. I'm returning some books before it opens, so they think we turned it in yesterday. So the funny thing is that after my surfing session, I got to return to pick up some books. Yoo! It's a beautiful day to be out surfing. The sun's coming up. Unfortunately, it gave a bit of glare on the water, so forgive me for the quality here, but you know, you see me in silhouette, which is nice, kind of picturesque. So I'm riding these waves. Things are really coming together. I'm trying to stay further towards the front of the board to help me ride these longer. I'm really trying to milk these waves for all they got, get in the reform, try to get 2 waves out of 1. Most surfers that I see generally bail out right after they hit white water, but I'm trying to get them maximize the time that I'm on that board and surfing, so I just keep riding it. So here, this wave, I felt like things were really coming together. Getting to the top, coming back down, angled takeoff, wade further towards the front of the board, getting low here for my balance. It's everything awesome. This next wave is really great, but check this guy out. Yeah, I got freaked out when I saw him. I kind of bailed out, and then he went right over the top of me and hit me in the back with the fin, but you know, I was okay. Everyone was all right. It's all fun. Again, staying low, trying to get my balance so I can keep flying through here to get to the reform. See me move my feet towards the front. I'm successfully moving my weight a bit forward. I need to get my back foot moving too. There you see I'm reaching that front foot, but the back foot's still staying there. Nice bottom turn. Here I'm staying right in the pocket. It's a small wave, but I'm just riding it nice and smooth. Got some nice backside waves. This next one I really take off. I'm right there in the pocket, flying right by people. Felt awesome. Here I ride this wave so long, to take it forever. Still going. And this wave, oh no, it's the next one. This one's all right. The next wave was really big. I was a bit nervous to take it, but I went for it and rode it. It was probably the most power in a wave I've ever taken. It was a great session, really liked it. I think this is my last wave, and I just ride it in. Woo! Woo! That was a great surfing session. I had a great time. Those are some good waves. I think I caught a bunch of waves. Felt like things are really starting to come together for me. Really excited. Hey, have fun out there and keep it real. Woo!